Hello, this is Adit Gupta, and in this video I'm going to talk about our in-house computer embroidery. Computer embroidery is when we use the threads to embroidery on top of the clothes. Again, the embroidery that we do, it can be done in two ways. Either we can do it as all over on the fabric so that the pattern is repeated the same throughout on the fabric, and then we cut it and use it for stitching later. Or more, it is also done for placement embroidery. That means, okay, on the front panel I want this embroidery or I want this logo, and then you specify the distance. Okay, I want it 5 inches below this, I want it 3 inches from the chest or from the outseam towards the inside, whatever positioning you specify. Then we also have the special Barudan machines for these are Japanese machines which cost 4 times the normal otherwise cost, and these we use for the logos. The clarity and the beauty of the logos that we get from the Japanese machines is much more. Each and every sort of stitch thread stands out, but it is more expensive. So again, in embroidery we also have the Chinese machines and we have the Japanese machines. The Chinese machines are for the bulk, where you just want the embroidery, and then the Japanese machines are where you want the super quality. So it depends on what you want. And then similarly we use fusings. So we use fusing behind the fabric, because the fusing holds the fabric. So when the computer embroidery is done on the fabric, very fast the needles come and go back. So the fusing, it holds the fabric, and that prevents the puckering, that prevents the essentially puckering of the embroidery and giving a bad look to the fabric and the garments which get made from it. Also, so in some cases we use water soluble fusing which we place on top of the fabric, and that makes the fabric not have any puckering, and this is very much required for either sensitive fabrics, like sometimes viscose fabrics, rayon fabrics, sometimes for knits. So different fabrics have different fusings which we need to use on them also. The entire manufacturing of the entire embroidery process has been under my control since the last 10 years now. We've been doing embroidery for the last 10, 12, 15, I don't know how many years now. In 2007 we bought our embroidery machines. So technically I'm again very strong. I know each and every details of the embroidery. My team has been handling embroideries on different styles throughout, so they are very technically strong. The embroidery operators are old, and they know in our factory that okay, which fabrics they have to use, which fusings, because they're doing this day in and day out. So good quality is a habit, and if anybody is not giving us good quality, then that is my task to sort of hold them accountable, to train them more, to find out why they failed, or if they failed, how come they failed. So it's just part of the everyday work that we do. Every person is skilled in their works, and there are no mistakes that we want to happen. We want you to have the perfect clothes so that you get more orders and we get more orders with you. Thank you.